People have various beliefs relating to health. Some of them are pro-health and others anti-health. Or is it so? Can a mere belief affect one's state of health significantly? Actually, there is a lot of evidence based on scientific research regarding the effect of belief on people's health. Studies from many different countries show that, depending on the country, 17 to 86% of doctors have knowingly prescribed their patients placebo medicine. Based on the studies, about 2/3 of all doctors in the United States and the United Kingdom have placeboed their patients. A study conducted in Denmark showed that 86% of Danish doctors have done this, of which almost half prescribed placebo medicine at least 10 times during a year's time of the study. According to a study conducted in Israel, 60% of doctors and nurses used placebos for patient care. 62% of them prescribed placebos at least once a month, and 94% considered them effective. The doctors who prescribed placebo medicine therefore were aware of the fact placebos don't contain anything that would affect the patient physiologically. Instead of the aforementioned doctors having had downplayed the placebo effect, they have intentionally used it for patient care. The placebo effect usually receives doubting and downplay. Instead of doubt, it should be used more for good. The Harvard professor Ted Kapchuk raises the point that the placebo effect should be harnessed more for the individual's use, since it does have a positive effect on one's state of health. As you become able to find a healer within yourself, you can improve your health considerably. While he was a student, Dr. Larry Dossey worked at an apothecary in a hospital. He observed that a drug called Lipragus was the most used one at the hospital. Many departments of the establishment made orders for it. He wondered how the drug can be so sought after in various departments where patients' ailments are so diverse. He was also puzzled because, while the drug was so popular for use, he himself had never heard of it. He searched for the drug from the books of pharmacy and the doctor's manual, which contained the names for all drugs in use in the United States, but failed to locate it. This further confused Dossey. Afterwards, he went and asked the pharmacist at the apothecary just what drug Lipragus was. The pharmacist told Dossey that when you read the drug's name in reverse, you find out what it is. Sugar pill. So the drug was a placebo without any material that would affect the patient physiologically. The doctor, philosopher, theologist, musician, and Nobel Prize winner Albert Schweitzer has been quoted as follows: "It's supposed to be a secret, but I'll tell you anyway. We doctors do nothing. We only help and encourage the doctor within." The effect of human beings' mind becomes clear in the placebo effect. It came to use in medical jargon in the 1700s. The effect of placebo medicine and treatment has been studied on various ailments and ills. In medical studies, placebos have been used to find out just how effective the drug is for healing and what is the potential of the patient's belief in getting better.